Lemon Learning makes software easy and accelerates digital software adoption. How? With this little bubble integrated directly into any web-based tool that you may use on a daily basis. For instance, here in Coupa. The goal? Empowering users at the time of need, just like a GPS. Lemon Learning is very easy to use. You just have to click on the bubble. The shelf contains guides for any task you may need to complete in Coupa. For instance, if you want to learn how to make a travel expense report in Coupa, the user is guided step by step thanks to interactive guides. Using the approach, learning by doing, users gain immediate proficiency in their everyday tasks. With direct integration, training doesn't disrupt work by making users exit their tool to learn. With on-demand guides, users learn what they need when they need it. This immediate 24/7 access to training increases self-sufficiency. This content is easy to use, and it's also easy to create. With Lemon Learning's editor, you can create customized guides in just a few clicks. All of this is easy to manage from the back office, where you can see an overview of your projects and manage users. With Lemon Learning, engage users with personalized Coupa training courses. Provide on-demand learning and real-time assistance. Increase Coupa adoption and reduce support costs. Lemon Learning is available for Coupa or any web-based tool you may have, including CRMs, ERPs, HRISs, e-procurement software, and even in-house tools.